Hello everyone, and thank you so much for watching my makeup tutorial on how I did this Chinese princess look. So first of all, of course, I start with blocking my brows. I've shown this in previously many makeup tutorials, so feel free to check them out for more info. Next, I'm going to put my Fenty Beauty foundation all over my face. If you see me, my lips moving, it's just because I'm practicing the song that I'm doing for my photo shoot. And next, I'm gonna use some extra foundation to go ahead and cover up my brows, because this is usually one of the harder parts for me, just making sure that it is really down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Krylon TV paint sticks in the colors 00 and 10W, and this will be my highlight and my contour shade. So I'll be putting a little bit under my eyes, on my cheekbones, in the center of my face, and my chin. And then buffing that out with a beauty blender. Now contouring my face with the Contour TV paint stick. I'm doing a little bit of a harsher contour because I have gained weight during quarantine, so I'm trying to make my face look just a little bit thinner. And now I'm also going to contour my nose with a brush. And use another brush just to get that highlight in there, and then pat it down with a tiny beauty blender. Next, I'm going to prime my eyes with my MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I want to make sure to get it all over even where my eyebrows were, because I want to do really big, bright makeup. And make sure also to get under your eyes, because I'm also going to be putting makeup there. Then pat it down all over again. Now I'm going to be taking my mini pigmented palettes, for example the Zulu by Juvia's Place. I'm also taking this Pride palette that I have that's really colorful, and of course my Sugarpill individual palettes. So I'm dipping into, I think the Sugarpill orange palette, and just trying to get that bright orange on my eyes. I'm trying to do an ombre effect from yellow to orange to red. And now I'm using a purple color from Juvia's Place, and I'm using another brush just to blend all of the colors together, because I've been trying to get better at blending. I'm dipping into my red from the Pride palette, and also using yellow to kind of go over everything. I'm trying to make sure that I get that color just higher up on my eyes. Now I'm going to be using my MAC gel eyeliner in the color Black Track. Of course, they're black, and this is my typical process for drawing on the wing. Because I have hooded eyes, I have to go ahead and shade a lot for it to basically show up. And then later, once you're done with the eye, you're going to want to pat it down with some black eyeshadow. Unfortunately, my black eyeshadow from Anastasia Beverly Hills, there's a lot of kickback. So as you can see later, I had to go and basically conceal my face with my NARS Creamy Concealer in Canal. So a time skip happened because my camera turned off while I was doing my makeup. I didn't realize. So I missed the part where I can show you all that I used my clown white makeup to draw in the crease, and then I used my white eyeshadow Takeo from Sugarpill to set it. And now I'm using my bright pink color for the cheekbones. And now I'm using a very small tip brush going into that Flame Point orange color Sugarpill again. And you take a small thin brush and put it under your eyes and then buff it out. And now I'm setting my face because I have a long shoot ahead of me, so I'm just using my face powder and completely just setting my face so it can bake. And you want it on there for about 5 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to be drawing in my lips, and I'm using the color Ruby Woo from MAC, and the lip liner color is from Sephora. Anyway, once you're done with the lips, you're going to brush off the powder. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit highlighter, and I'm dipping into 2 of the colors to create my highlight shade. And now I'm using a liquid lip I rarely get to use. It's the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the color Orange Sickle, and because my makeup is so orange, I wanted to add an orange tint to the middle of my lips. And it's a little bit bright, so I took a little bit off with some paper towels. And I'm using my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the color Diamond Dust. I had a lot of love, so as you can see, it was hard to get some of it out. So another time skip happened, super sorry y'all, but basically I just painstakingly drew in my brows and then of course used concealer to conceal the areas right below that. And because I'm doing a really special shoot, I'm creating new lashes. I'm combining them together. So you basically glue one on top of the other and then you stack it to your eyes. And because one isn't enough, we're gonna go ahead and stack another over. Of course, you're gonna wanna use mascara to make sure that it blends in. So these are paper lashes from Chimera Lashes, which I really recommend. So you just basically put it on top of your first set of lashes and then make sure that it looks even. Now I'm gonna use my under eyes with a rhinestone in the middle, which is what I really like. And that's it. That is the finished look. Here it is with my outfit and my wig, which I styled myself. I really love this look. I had so much fun doing this makeup tutorial, and I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you like this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to see more future videos in the future. Thank you.